Your finger hovers over the buy button because that $200 dress is suddenly listed for $70. It is part of a massive moving sale that seems too good to pass up. The photos are stunning. The layout looks like a high-end fashion magazine. This is the trap set by Trueform Boutique. At first glance, it feels like you discovered a secret gold mine of style. They claim thousands of people trust them. They talk about high-quality fabrics and careful designs, but a polished website is easy to build in an afternoon. When you peel back the layers, the polish starts to flake off. The first major red flag is the total lack of transparency. Who owns this company? Where are they actually located? A legitimate fashion house wants you to know their story. They want you to see their headquarters. Here, you find a generic support email and nothing else. There is no physical address to be found, no phone number to call when your order goes missing. Then, you look at the timeline. The domain for this shop was registered incredibly recently. We are talking about a site that is only weeks or months old. Yet they carry on like they have been a staple of the fashion world for years. That is a classic move for fly-by-night operations. They create a sense of history that simply does not exist. Online safety tools give this site a trust score of around 23 out of 100. That is a dismal number. It screams danger to anyone paying attention. The feedback on the actual website is a sea of 5-star reviews. Every single person seems thrilled. But those reviews are controlled by the shop. You cannot verify them. When you look at independent forums, the mood shifts. Customers talk about waiting for weeks with zero updates. They describe opening a package only to find a garment that looks like a cheap imitation of the photo. The fabric is thin. The stitching is messy. The colors are off. When these buyers try to get a refund, they hit a wall of silence. One shopper mentioned sending multiple emails after a month of waiting. They never received a single word in return. That is the definition of a customer service nightmare. It is not just about a late package. It is about the complete disregard for the person on the other end of the transaction. You are not just buying a dress. You are trusting a stranger with your credit card details and your home address. When a site hides its identity and has a track record of ghosting people, that trust is misplaced. This boutique uses flashy discounts to distract you from the risks. They want you to focus on the savings instead of the red flags. If you decide to take the gamble, you must use a payment method that offers strong dispute options. Do not use a direct bank transfer or a debit card without protection. But really, the best move is to walk away. A 70% off sale is not a deal if you never get the product. It is just an expensive lesson in online skepticism. You deserve better than a mystery box that might never arrive. Stick to the retailers who actually value their reputation and provide a real way to reach them. Your wardrobe and your bank account will thank you for the caution. The internet is full of these pop-up shops that vanish as quickly as they appear. Trueform Boutique fits that pattern almost perfectly. They rely on the rush of a good deal to bypass your common sense. Take a breath and look at the facts before you click that checkout button. Your peace of mind is worth more than a clearance sale. Keep your eyes open and stay safe while shopping.